you want Microsoft Edge to automatically clear cookies and other site data every time you close the browser, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. This is a great way to protect your privacy, reduce tracking, and keep your browser cleaner without having to manually delete data each time. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From there, choose Settings. This is where all of Edge's privacy and browser options are managed, so this is the main place we need to be. Inside Settings, look at the left-hand menu and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section controls how Edge handles your browsing activity, tracking protection, and data clearing options. Scroll down until you find the area called Clear Browsing Data. Under that section, click Clear Browsing Data on Close. This is the setting that tells Edge what to remove automatically whenever you close the browser. Now you'll see a list of data types that can be cleared on Exit. Find cookies and other site data and toggle it on. Once this is enabled, Edge will delete cookies and related site information each time you close the browser. That means websites may sign you out more often, but it also helps keep your browsing session more private and less cluttered. If you want, you can review the other options in this menu too, depending on how much data you want removed when Edge closes. But for this tutorial, the key step is making sure cookies and other site data is turned on under Clear Browsing Data on Close. After that, you're done. There's no need to save anything manually. The change is applied right away. So just to recap, go to Settings, click Privacy, Search, and Services, open Clear Browsing Data on Close, and toggle on cookies and other site data. That's all it takes to make Edge clear cookies automatically when you close it. If this video helped, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.